How to put YouTube videos on repeat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can put YouTube videos on repeat. For this, you want to open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now for this video, I'm just going to open up one of my own videos. So here I have this video on my channel. Now if you want to put YouTube videos on repeat, you want to scroll down over here and find the option of save. So go ahead and tap on this. Now you want to add this video to a playlist. For that, tap on the new playlist option over here if you do not already have a playlist. Then you can add a title here. I'm just going to type in loop. Now tap on the create option. As you can see, the playlist has been created. Now what you want to do here is tap on the profile icon and then you will find the playlist section. Tap on view all. Now you want to locate the playlist that you just created. Tap on this. Now you just want to play the video from here. Once you do that, you're going to find the loop icon over here. Go ahead and tap on this loop icon. Once you tap on this, your videos will now be put on repeat. For example, the video just ended and as you can see, it has already started again. So in this way, you can put YouTube videos on repeat. To do this on a computer, you want to right click on the video and then select the option of loop. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.